Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman spray can holder accessory for work vans. Let's get into it. All right, this should be a pretty simple unboxing here. It's just a accessory that you can mount in your cargo van, your work van, or really anywhere that you want to. It's going to be a metal product from Holman. And Holman, they've been around for a long time. You may know them by the name Kargo Master, which is their old name, and they rebranded to the name Holman a few years ago. One thing I love about Holman is with all of their products, you get a full parts list, fully illustrated installation guide. And so this is exactly for this part. It shows you how to mount it, the hardware that should be in the kit, and so on. So, you know, we're looking at 3 pages plus a cover page of instructions just for this one small item. You don't get that with a lot of manufacturers these days. They just kind of expect you to know how to install it. So I like that this is put in plastic to reduce down on your scratches and things like that. And you can see here, this is the holes for the spray cans. And it looks like there's some other slots and things like that in here as well for other accessories. We do have a hardware bag here, which looks like 4 bolts and lock nuts. So installation is gonna be pretty simple. You're just gonna find location where you can either drill into the side of a shelf or a bulkhead, or even into ribbing in the van or something like that to mount this where you need it. Now, the one thing I like about van equipment is they give you these holes on how to attach it. But if you need to make something else work, you need to put a hole in the middle to line up with a rib in the van or something like that, you can always do that. So just some questions we get on dimensions. I'll take some of those real quick. Just the overall width of this item is 14 inches, and our depth here, once mounted, is exactly 4 inches. And then these holes are a little bit kind of in an oval shape, so they're elongated holes, not a perfect circle there. The width on these are 3 inches, and the depth, if you will, is about 3 1/4, maybe a little bit longer than that. I do have a spray paint can here just to test this guy out. There's plenty of room, so if you got some bigger cans, whatever you may need for your particular trade, it's gonna fit. 4 of them here. It's in the powder coated matte gray finish that Holman uses on all of their van equipment, their partitions, their shelving, and all that. So if you're getting the Holman shelves, go with this. It's gonna match everything. This does have a 3-year warranty from the factory. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you're buying this from an authorized seller like UpfitSupply.com. Now, if you're looking for this accessory or any other accessories for your work van, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. We probably have what you need. Yeah, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.